Mistplay and Cash Giraffe both pay you for playing mobile games, but payout speed depends less on the app itself, and more on how each one structures game rewards, and how often new earning opportunities appear. By the end, you'll understand how fast each app typically reaches cash out, what slows payouts down, and which one usually gets you to redemption quicker, depending on your playstyle. Mistplay payout speed is tied to earning units from playing selected mobile games. You earn by staying in games and progressing through milestones, which means your payout speed depends on how long those games keep rewarding you, and how many you rotate through. Cash Giraffe payout speed is tied to earning coins from time spent in games. You earn by playing featured games, and your cash out speed depends on how many active game offers you can continuously rotate through. Mistplay can feel slower if you stick to a single game because rewards eventually slow down as progression levels become harder to hit. Switching games is usually what keeps payout speed moving. Cash Giraffe can feel faster at the start because you can jump between multiple games and keep earning coins without needing deep progression in each one. Mistplay payout speed improves when you rotate between multiple games strategically. Once a game stops giving strong progression rewards, moving to another keeps your unit accumulation steady. Cash Giraffe payout speed depends heavily on how many active game offers are currently available. When there are more offers, you can earn faster. When offers are limited, progress slows down. Mistplay is more structured, so payout speed tends to be steady, but not always fast unless you actively manage which games you play. Cash Giraffe is more flexible, so payout speed can spike when new games appear, but it can also drop when the offer list shrinks. Time investment also affects payout speed. Mistplay rewards longer focus sessions and fewer games. Cash Giraffe rewards shorter sessions across more games, which can speed up early progress. Effort level is slightly different too. Mistplay requires tracking which games are still rewarding progression. Cash Giraffe requires more frequent switching to maintain momentum. Maintain momentum. Risk is not financial in either app, but payout speed is always tied to external game availability, which can change without warning and affect how quickly you reach cash out. Quick summary: Mistplay payout speed is steady and structured but depends on game progression. Cash Giraffe payout speed is more flexible and can be faster early, but varies more with game availability. If you want consistent, long-term payout progression, Mistplay is more stable. If you want faster early movement and don't mind switching games often, Cash Giraffe can feel quicker. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear comparison breakdowns like this.